All right, I'm becoming a bit superstitious about the across function. So I think I worked it out, and then I try and blog about it, and the post won't knit. So now I've pulled just the blog post into this new project associated with a repo so that I can share what this problem looks like. So when I isolate just the across code, let's see whether that works. So I've got loading packages and getting the penguins, and so I want to summarize across variables that contain length and get mean, standard deviation, minimum, and maximum. Beautiful. And then this is just the same except Thomas's code style. And that works too. Okay, and if I knit that document, it works beautifully. All right, so let's close that, close that. Now, in the context of the blog post, I'm doing the same thing, right? So let's get clean out variables, and just because we're superstitious, let's restart R. All right, so I have a few more packages to load for the blog post. All right, I'm going to get the penguins data. I'll skip the goal because that's not really relevant. I'm trying to demo how you can get summary stats the old way, and I want to show how across is so much better. But of course now it's running, right? Okay, so when I do each chunk, it runs just fine. Let's make sure that the skim chunk runs and it's formatting, it's good, and the table one runs as well. Okay, right? So when I run each chunk, it seems fine. And then when I go to knit, there's an error, problem with summarize at line 68, which is, yeah, here when I'm doing across. So it won't knit this code that it just ran as a chunk moments ago. And then the weird thing that it's been doing also, if I go back to this penguin problem where that's isolated, before this problem was contagious. So if I might not do it again, but if I knit that isolated problem, now it's working. So by itself it works. Weird. So weird.